How to fix saved audio not showing on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and simply force quit the Instagram application and then reopen the application, as this will help you in clearing temporary glitches and often prevent saved sounds from loading. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. See if that helps, and if not, then open Instagram and then pull down to refresh your feed, and then wait a few seconds for your collections to sync. And if that does not appear to, then you can simply open a reel that uses the sound and then tap on the audio title and then tap on the save audio option again, and this will often restore the sound to your saved audio collection. And it could also be that the audio has been removed, as some music is removed because of copyright or licensing changes. So if the original sound is no longer available, it will disappear from your saved list. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply try to log yourself out of Instagram and then log back in. So tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option and log yourself out and then log back in, as this will force Instagram to resync your saved content. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply go back to your home screen and delete the Instagram application and then reinstall the Instagram application again. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then sometimes it could be regional music restrictions. So some audio tracks are available in certain countries because of licensing agreements. So make sure that the audio that you are trying to use is not restricted in your country. So these were a few ways on how you can fix saved audio not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.